Here's new trending apps called PNK, Chat Now, Swipe, and Chat with New Friends. So let's just try to install it. This is one of kind of like alternatives for Wiz app, like just app primarily to connect with friends. It's not like a dating app. It's mostly like find your friends. It's a safe space for everyone to have fun. PNK is the place where you can make new friends even from all over the world. Swipe and chat now with real people. Swipe to connect, chat in real time, chat with your crew is free. PNK is totally free to use. Safety first, we take your safety very seriously. That's why we have an age gate plus additional safety features here. We offer weekly, monthly, and 3-month subscription, giving discounts on the weekly price. And then here you just have it. And then to create an account, you can do it with Apple. Just add your nickname here. Add your gender. You can select some photo from, oops. So here you can just select that. And receive notifications. Allow to track. So then accept. So a lot of permissions, a lot of things. So here you need to verify your age. Age verified. I don't know how they can verify age by that, but yeah, so here you have it, and then you can just start to swipe. Mostly these are people from United States here, so that's just what it is. You can see who added you, you can see a friend's request, you can see your profile, you can see settings, your account. Just if you want, you can delete an account, and then yeah, just swipe, and then you can start to message each other and all of that. Like, this app doesn't have that many people yet on it. It's yeah. So yeah, then there is also like a shop where you can buy some coin packs. You can buy a lot of these coins here. I don't know if you can get coins for free. And then if you want to upgrade PNK Plus, then you will get see who adds you, chat with them, and then unlimited swipes. So 1 week $7, 1 month $10. So 1 month seems like a reasonable offer. So yeah, pretty cool feature. So try it out. So yeah, additional settings, you can hide your profile if you wanna. So there is like also a PNK Premium, and then that's like a more expensive plan, and PNK Plus, which is a cheaper version. So anyhow, this is a new app similar to like Wiz app or some other like friend chatting apps. Try it out.